Hey, this is Mr. Ward, and this is the video key for Do Now 29.1. And I'm going to be introducing some ideas from Quadratics 5 in this one. So what are two factors of 10 that add up to 7? And there's a connection between these two in this question. So two factors that that multiply to make 10 and add up to 7 are 2 and 5. Okay, and what do you get when you multiply x plus 2 times x plus 5? Well, we get, of course, x squared from the x times x. We get a 10 from the 2 times 5. We also get a 5x from the x times 5. And we get a 2x from the 2 times x. And we put all that together. Since none of them were negatives, I put addition there. And I'm going to copy pasta that and bring it to the next line. And the 5x and the 2x add up to make a 7x. And look at that. We're back here. And look, it was x plus 2 times x plus 5. X plus 2 times x plus 5 got us x squared plus 7x plus 10. So we have just actually created the foundation of taking this multiplied out, which is called the expanded form. This is actually called the standard form as well. We've taken that multiplied out version and used the fact that two factors of 10 that add up to 7, we've used that to create x plus 2 times x plus 5. We can factor it out and bring it back into its factored form where it's two linear equations. Now, let's look at this one. What are two factors of 21 that add up to 10? Well, there's 3 and 7 work for that. And once again, this is related to 2b, where we've got x plus 3. Look, there's a 3. And x plus 7 being multiplied. And when you do that, bring that down so you can see everything at once. When you do that, of course, we get the x times x, which is x squared. We also get the 3 times 7, which is 21. Then we also get the x times 7, which is 7x. I'll make that plus since it's positive. And we get the 3 times x, which is 3x. Again, I'm putting plus in there because it's positive, and it's all added together. I'll copy pasta that. I will put it together, and the 7x and the 3x combine to make a 10x. And you got exactly what we have here. We have x squared plus 10x plus 21 is equal to x plus 3 times x plus 7. This is the factored form of it. There are two factors of 16 that add up to 8. Well, this one is a special case. Two factors of 16 that add up to 8 are 4 and 4. So in other words, we're going to be squaring 4 to get 16. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And so now we can work that out. X plus 4 times x plus 4, which comes from these two 4s, by the way, and you can predict it's going to equal this. Hopefully at this point you're seeing that. So x squared, and then at the end we're going to have 16 because 4 times 4 is 16. And in the middle, we're going to have x times 4, so plus 4x. And then we're going to have another x times 4, so another 4x. And we put all that together. Notice you've got two 4x's, so I could say this if I wanted. I could say 2 times 4x. That'd be another way to say this. Now look at this. This is like a 4 squared right there. And so this is very interesting. So we got this x is squared. We got this 4 is squared. And then we got two 4x's. This is actually the structure of a perfect square. So, which is a special case. We put it all together, we get x squared plus 8x plus 16. I'm going to lay out what the structure of a perfect square is. If I have a plus b squared, in other words, a plus b times a plus b, I'm going to get a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. So if I know what a and b are, I can actually put all this together And this thing that I've got right here can be put together as 2ab because ab is used twice in the sum. And there you have it. That's the structure of a perfect square. If I have a plus b squared, it's going to be the first term squared, a squared, the last term squared, b squared, and then I'll multiply a times b and I'll double it because I'm going to use it twice in my 4 combinations of multiplying the 2 linear equations. If I had a minus b squared, I'm going to end up with a squared minus ab plus b squared, because negative b times negative b will be positive b squared. And that's going to end up being a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So once again, it's going to be first term squared, last term, negative b is going to get squared, and then I'm going to have a times negative b and a times negative b. So I'll put those together. I'll get 2 negative ab's, which is going to be minus 2ab when you work it all out. All right, I hope that was helpful today, and stop the video now.